How to fix unable to check for update on iPhone. Let's get started. Open your settings app. First, what you can do is give press restart to your phone. Go to the option of general, open it. Scroll all the way down, you can see the option of shutdown, tap on it. Now slide this icon to the right, and with that your phone will be turned off. After you turn off your phone, again turn it back, and then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, you have to check the date and time. Open this option of date and time. You can toggle on for this option of set automatically, and then you can check whether you can update your iPhone or not. Likewise, the option is scroll down, go to this option of transfer or reset iPhone, select the option of reset. Now select the option reset network settings. Now over here you will need to type in your passcode and continue with the process to reset the network settings. Applying all of these solutions, your problem is definitely gonna be fixed. Likewise, in the case you are using any beta updates, you have to remove that and switch to the regular update. So this was all for this video. This is how you can fix unable to check for update on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.